I love the purple ones too, man. That's my color because I'm so feminine, you know. And believe me, I chose that word appropriately because the other word doesn't rhyme with me. It doesn't matter. Nah, it's not me. Yeah, I like purple. Most definitely. What, honey? Oops, are you okay? Ooh, you missed that big one. Oh, you're missing them now. They're so pretty. Well, if they take a... Whoa, you missed that big one. Ooh, there's my color. That's my color, isn't it?
Daddy.
What?
I need a blanket.
Well, honey, we can't get a blanket right now while we're sitting here. Don't worry, they'll be soon done, and then we'll go home. Ooh, there's a pretty colored one. Ooh, there's another big one. Oh, goodness. Ooh, I like that one. I like them all. Ooh, fireflies. You like them?
Fish. Fish. They were fish. Fish going all over.
No, I wouldn't. No way. With what they have. Oh, maybe it is now. Dying down and you thought it was getting worse, it was over. Start it all up. That's the way to do it, man. Oh yeah! Yeah, perfect ending. Most definitely.